out. I'm going to share Sarah's screen. Let me spotlight for everyone. Okay, Sarah, can you show us your homework? And I'm going to unmute yourself real quick. Let me unmute you. There you go. Can you tell what did you draw? What type of plant is that?
Mango tree.
A mango tree. Oh, that's awesome. And what is the difference between the young mango tree and the adult mango tree? What is a difference?
Mango fruit.
Yeah. And which one has the mango on it? The young or the adult? Is it the young tree or the adult tree? Is it the parent or the young? That one has the mango? Or is it the big one? Yeah, the big one. The old tree. Very good, Sarah. Thank you for sharing your homework with class. Good job, Sarah. I really like the drawing. I think I have a few of your homeworks here. I can share them with you guys real quickly. You guys can see some of your homework. I think we had a few back here. So let me see who this is. So we have Ming Tu. Would you like to share what you wrote? What did you write, Ming Tu? My favorite. Could you read it for everyone?
Cat.
Yeah. The parent.
The cat.
And
the offspring cat have the same fur.
Good job. They have the same fur. And what's your next sentence? And the same.
And the same shape.
Very good. And what's the difference? You also wrote the difference. The offspring.
The offspring cat is small and the parent cat is big.
Good job. Okay, let's have Sam share. Can you read what you wrote?
The parent's one is white, but the offspring's one was black.
Very good. Is there anything else?
Just know that.
Do you have a picture?
No.
No? Okay, that's okay. I was just checking. Oh, Harry. Let's have Harry. Harry's raising his hand. Harry, make sure you unmute. There you go.
My favorite animal is fish. Both the young and parent have fins, but parents bigger than young.
Good job. Yep, they both have fins, but the parent is bigger. Good job. Good job on your homework. Okay, I think that's good for homework. So what we can do is today we're going to do a small review. Today we're going to review the last lesson. Okay. So let me get the PowerPoint up. So today we're going to finish the lesson, how do plants look like their parents? This is the last lesson we learned in class. This is the last lesson we learned in class, and this will be the end of this lesson. Okay. How do parents look like their parents? Who can tell me what's one way that how do plants look like their parents? Who can tell me? It could be an example. You can give me any example you want. What might they have the same? The same what? So we have a young plant and a parent plant, okay? What is something that is the same? What is something that is the same or different?
Same shape.
Okay, very good. The same shape. They have the same shape. Let's have Daisy. What is something that is the same or different? Daisy, what is something that is the same or different?
The young tree has many leaves than the grown tree.
And the parent tree does not? Very good. No, Daisy, that was great. Good try. Yeah, the young tree has more leaves in the picture. The young plant has more leaves. What does the parent tree have that the young tree doesn't? What does the parent tree have that the young tree doesn't? Good job, Daisy, once again. That was great. Let's have someone else go. How about Banana? Banana.
The young tree have green leaf, and the parent
Tree
has.
Are you forgetting what the
has
word
white
is?
Flowers.
There you go. It has flowers. It has white flowers. Good descriptive word. Good descriptive word. Okay. Why do plants make flowers? Who could remind me? Why do plants make flowers? I forget. Why do plants make flowers? Salmon knows the answer. Anyone else? Anyone I haven't called on? Okay, salmon. Why do they have flowers? Salmon.
So the bees will come and collect the bee will take the nectar.
There you go. Yeah, the bees are going to come to visit and get the nectar. Okay. The flowers make nectar to attract bees. Very good. Good memory, Salmon. Good job. Once again, I'm making sure if I call on you, I'm writing down if you answer or not. So make sure you're paying attention and you know the answer, okay? I have one more question for you guys. Are these trees the same kind or different kind? Are these trees the same kind or different kind? You know what? I'm going to unmute everyone. You guys can say same kind or different kind. Okay, let's see what you guys answer. Everyone yell your answer.
Same kind.
Different kinds.
Okay, you guys are saying it is the same kind, and that is correct. These are the same kind or the same species. We call that the same species. Very good. Okay, so we have a little bit of a vocab review. These are some vocab words from your lesson. You have parent, offspring, and trait. Let's start off by reading parent. I'm going to unmute about 2 of you, and you guys are going to read together. So make sure you unmute. Let's have Sarah. I'm going to unmute you, Sarah. Let's have, you know what? Sarah and Daisy would like to read together, I think. So Sarah and Daisy, could you read parent for the class? So start off with parent. Make sure Daisy unmute yourself. There you go. So guys, read together and read parent. You guys can start. Parent is a plant
Parent is a plant or animal that
makes young
exactly itself.
Exactly. So they're not exactly like yourself. So you're not exactly like your mom and dad, but you're similar. You're definitely similar. Okay. Sarah didn't read, but that's okay. Good job, Daisy, reading. Okay. Now I want everyone, read it to yourself. I'm not going to unmute you. Just read it to yourself. I want to see everyone's mouths moving. We can see your videos. Okay. I just checked everyone's videos. It looks like you guys are done. So the parent plant is similar, but not exactly like itself. Just think about your parents. Okay. Just think about your parents. Now let's read offspring. Let me have someone in the class. Everyone, let's read offspring. Actually, we're going to check your videos. Everyone read offspring. Make sure your lips are moving. Offspring. Very good. Offspring are the young of plant or animal. Let's have someone read. Let's have Danby. Who's Danby? Danby, can you read for us?
Offspring are the young of plants or animals.
Thank you. And everyone, unmute yourselves and tell me, are you offspring? Are you offspring? Yes or no? Are you the young of a plant or animal? Yes or no? Are you offspring? Yes or no? Say yes or no. In 3, 2, 1, you can unmute.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, you guys are offspring. You are the young of a plant or animal. You guys all have parents. Good job. Good job. And now we have a new word. This is a word that we introduced last class in real life. So trait. Trait is something living things get from their parents. What is something you guys get from your parents? Does anyone have an example before we go to the next slide? Does anyone have something they got from their parents? Think of something you have that your parent also has. So something that you have that is the same from your parents is maybe your hair color or your eye color. Okay, so here are some examples. Here are some examples of traits. It could be your fur color, your ear shape, your height, your eye color. These are all different things. Your height, the ear shape. So look at your ear. Body coverings can be like fur, blubber, hair. Okay. Your body shape. Remember, we have 2 arms, 2 legs, a torso. We inherit that from our parents. We get that from our parents. Okay. These are all traits. You can tell me a trait of a plant. You can tell me a trait of a plant. Who can think of a trait that is of a plant? Okay. This could be anything you know about a plant. It could be, just see if you can give me an example of a trait that a plant would have. A plant. So think about something that what would a plant pass down to its offspring? What might be the same between the young and the offspring and the parent? Let's say the parent has purple flowers. When the offspring grows up to become an adult, what color flowers do you think the offspring's going to have?
Purple.
Yeah, purple. So purple flowers is a trait. Good job. Purple flowers would be a trait. I know that's kind of complicated, guys. It's okay, but I just wanted to add traits into this, okay? I wanted to add traits into this. So we have a few questions. This is from your homework a few weeks ago. This is the lesson check for your lesson. This is the lesson check. So let's go over the answers together. Let's go over the answers together. We have number 1. Let's have Harry read number 1. Harry, read number 1.
How do most young plants and their
Parent?
plants look?
Okay. So how do young plants and their parent plants look? Is it exactly alike, similar, or very different? Everyone, I'm going to allow you guys to annotate or draw a circle around the answer you think it is. Everyone draw a circle around the answer you think it is. You guys can draw in 3, 2, 1, draw. Everyone can draw the answer they think it is. Just one circle, one nice circle, please. One nice circle. Good job, Daisy. Good job, Bull. Yeah, good job, everyone. Okay, I'm going to disable. It looks like everyone's circling this answer right here. Similar. Good job, everyone. B is correct. Similar. The young plants are similar to their parents. Similar. Not exactly alike and not very different. Okay? Let's move on to question 2. Observe this young plant and its parent plant. What pattern do you see? What pattern do you see? Choose all correct answers. Choose all correct answers. So, is it their leaves are the same shape? Their leaves are purple and black. The young plant has more leaves than the parent plant. Circle 2 correct answers. There's actually 2 correct answers, so circle the 2 correct answers. In 3, 2, 1, circle! Everyone circle. You can all circle. Use the annotate. Very good. Mayan, good job. Salmon, good job. Okay, I'm going to pause it. It looks like most of you guys chose A and B. A and B. Let me draw A and B. A and B are correct. Can someone answer me? Does the young plant have more leaves than the parent plant? Does this young plant over here have more leaves than the adult plant? Raise your hand if you would like to answer. I'm going to lower everyone's hands. Raise your hand if you would like to answer. We have salmon, banana. Anyone else? Raise your hand if you would like to answer. Okay, let's have Daisy. Daisy, does the young plant have more leaves than the parent?
No.
No. Good job, Daisy. No, it does not. So yeah, we do not circle this answer. Okay. So that's as far as we're going to make it today. That's as far as we're going to make it today. I believe we get off at 2:40. Your homework is going to be quizzes. Your homework is going to be a quizzes. You guys are going to have a quiz. It's just 5 questions. It's only 5 questions, and it should be pretty easy. It should be pretty easy. Try your best. Try your best. Okay? So everyone is going to get a link. Ms. YN is going to send you a link, okay, through email, and everyone can complete the quizzes, okay? Just like you did for Miss Claire yesterday. Just like you did for Miss Claire yesterday. So that is it for class today, guys. I'm going to unmute everyone. Let me stop the share. Everyone have a great day. Everyone have a great day. You guys can all unmute now. Bye-bye, everyone.
Can I be the
Bye
host
bye,
for now?
Mr. Bye bye, Mr. Connor.
Bye bye,
Bye, Mr.
Bye-bye,
Connor.
guys.
Bye bye, Miss